Hi everyone, this is Tushar Ramnan back at you from 99 Workouts. As you are aware that after every 7 episodes we feature the star of the month. So this episode is going to be very important because I'm going to feature the star of the month. What is special about this episode? There are a lot of things which are going to come up, but until and unless I don't introduce this particular guest, you won't come to know what is special about this episode. So I'm going to introduce the superstar of the month, rather, Mr. Prabodh. Prabodh is a very good friend of mine.
Hi Tushar, how are you?
So much.
Welcome to Nitro.
Thank you so much, Prabodh. I have known Prabodh for a long time, and believe me, he's so humble. He's been welcoming everyone who comes to meet him. He's so approachable, and I just asked him, could you feature on 99 Workout, because it's very important, because there are certain things some people do which becomes a landmark. Prabodh ji, we'll do this conversation in Hindi and English as well.
Sure. Anything is okay.
So Prabodh ji, tell me, how did you get into this particular gym segment? How did it all start?
See, the thing is, a liking for fitness for me was right from childhood.
Right.
I still remember when I was in school also, my mom used to take me or force me or drag me to even karate classes, taekwondo classes then. Then when I got into college, then she used to force me to go to the gym. So when I was hardly 15 years old, so I was introduced to a fitness gym, which was almost an akhada, because during those days they were not like refined gyms like what we have today.
Right.
So then afterwards I went for further education to Switzerland. So that is the time when I saw there is so much of difference among the gyms over there in the Europe and that back in India. So I always wanted to have, my mother used to always tell me to excel in whatever I do.
Right.
So, so when I came back to India and I decided even I want to own a gym, so I wanted to have something which nobody has.
Right.
So that's where the first, the spark, before a fire there's always a spark. So that's when it ignited to me. So it didn't happen now. It happened almost 10 years or 12 years back then.
Okay. So Prabodh, tell me something. Did you start off working out in other brands in the gyms, and then you thought,
yes, I did.
This is something you want to make a change in India, you get something totally new, something like that?
Yeah. So the thing is, I was the first to get World Gym in India.
Right.
That time, Arnold Schwarzenegger was the brand ambassador of World Gym.
Right.
And Joe Gold, who created Gold Gym, had sold off Gold Gym, and he united with Arnold Schwarzenegger to make World Gym.
Right.
So, and that's the reason I had got the first World Gym in India. After having them or running it successfully for almost 5 years, I saw a lot of drawbacks in their, the way the management was, or the interiors or this thing was. So I felt I can do much more better than what they can.
Right.
And that's how the birth of Nitro came.
Okay. So tell me, Prabodh ji, today you are owner of a successful chain, Nitro. How did you get this term Nitro for a gym? It's very unique,
Yeah. Actually, there is a long story behind it. The word actually Nitro, if you see technically, comes from the word nitrogen, which is a very key element or a vital element for building muscle, or for the adrenaline rush that you get in your body. The nitro. Even like nitrous oxide, which is used in cars for that boost and all that.
Right.
So technically that word comes from the word nitrogen. However, the word nitro, I got it is from one of the pundits who used to consult a lot of politicians in Delhi. So he gave me 3 words to choose from: na, ta and ra.
Okay.
So after a lot of mixed combinations and this thing, I couldn't find anything, and then ultimately one day when I was in the US, I saw this word Nitro on television, and that's how it clicked with me.
देखा आपने सुना कि ये नाइट्रो वर्ड कैसे जिम आज इतना सक्सेसफुल जो ब्रांड बन गया है नाइट्रो, ये वर्ड कैसे आया? और कुछ सवाल पूछते हैं हम प्रबोध जी से। प्रबोध जी, ये बताइए कि आज आपका जो जिम है, जो which is spreading all over India.
Right.
You have made it in a very different class altogether, very expensive. So do you think India is ready for these kind of gyms?
Well, this thing is, the answer lies in your question, the way it is spreading and the way we're getting a response. India has already accepted it, they're loving it, and that's the reason we are growing on it.
Right. You also are one of the most expensive gyms in India right now. You know, where there are a lot of people who are undercutting, who are not growing. You know, people say that 20 साल पहले भी
Right.
10,000 11,000 gym membership रहता था.
Right.
But you started a trend.
Right.
How could you
See, the
sustain
thing
this?
is, it's not me who decided to keep it expensive, but you will agree that quality always comes at a price. And one thing that I have done is not compromise on quality.
Right.
The pricing, in fact, I have tried to keep it bare minimum so that everybody can utilize all the gym facility. In fact, I have kept it at the bare minimum possible. You know, I am not even after profits. My main aim is to spread fitness everywhere for everybody
Wow.
without compromising quality.
आपने सुना, the main aim of Nitro is to spread health awareness, fitness among people, and this is what is 99 Workouts all about as well. Motivating people to come and work out, take out time from their profession. Prabhatji, you're always traveling half of the time. You come from a
Yeah.
political background. You have gyms now. So how do you divide time? How do you take out time for yourself to exercise?
For myself to exercise is always like, I usually work out very late nights. I like to work out with myself. And right now, since I had a shoulder cuff injury, I have been not working out since doctor has told me to take rest for 3-4 months. Otherwise, it's mostly late nights.
Right.
And I think where there is a will, there is a way.
Right. आपके gyms काफ़ी unique हैं. You won lot of awards. I think last 2
Yeah.
years you've been winning all the international awards also. Would you
Yeah.
like to share something about it? The awards which the gyms have won.
See, to be honest with you, for me, more than these awards is the people's appreciation which matters the most.
Right.
When people talk about my gym, I feel more happiness than these awards.
Right.
So for me, people are the awards,
Right.
not just trophies.
Right. So well said. So rightly said. लोगों का जो अप्रिसिएशन होता है, आप लोग जो जब जिम आते हैं और अपने दोस्तों और साथियों को बोलते हैं कि ये जिम बहुत बढ़िया है, यहाँ आके वर्कआउट करिए, तो उस पे ही अप्रिसिएशन मिलता है जिम को और उसका ब्रांड नेम बढ़ता है. प्रभु जी, ये बोलिए कि मुझे ये बताइए कि ये जो प्राइसिंग है आपका,
Right.
प्राइस कोशेंट बहुत सब जगह, मुंबई, यू आर फ्रॉम बेसिकली फ्रॉम मुंबई,
Yeah.
सो हाउ मच डज इट वेरी, मुंबई, पूना, डू यू थिंक, यू नो?
See, the prices don't vary as far as the geographical location, but as per what is the content or what kind of equipment से लेके interiors से लेके facilities, amenities, you know, what has gone into the making will determine the factor of pricing rather than the geographical area.
Right. So, tell me, Prabhuji, what is your vision for Nitro for the next 5 years at least?
See, my vision for Nitro has been quite. I'm very clear about certain things. Like one thing is like Nitro is not just a commercial organization, but also that we facilitate a lot of social service through this. Not only are we like whatever, at least the profit that comes, which I make from Nitro, I circulated it in a social like service also. Right from sponsoring kids and orphanages, computers, books, education. You know, we also intend to start an academy in which uneducated people or jobless people can be trained and given jobs as trainers or whatever they, you know, really want to. Like spreading, I think so, education is one of my forte, and I want to spread fitness education wherever I can. So I just don't have like a commercial vision about just increasing the business,
Right.
but also to uplift the underprivileged of this country and making them a part of the fitness industry, to grow the fitness industry in the country, at the same time increasing manpower and resources and jobs in the country.
वाओ, आपने सुना कि ये नाइट्रो जिम के थ्रू प्रभु जी क्या क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. He's ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ अ बिजनेस, नो डाउट, लेकिन जितने भी बिजनेस जो इनकम है ये सारे पुअर लोगों के एजुकेशन के लिए जा रहा है, ये लोग उनके लिए जा रहा है जो अपना फ्यूचर फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में बनाना चाहते हैं. इट्स सच अ नोबल कॉज and I'm sure this is going to really help a lot of people.
I will. Sorry to cut you. Well, I'll also like to thank Mr. Kaizad Kapadia, who, on my request, have been also given free education to the some people like who I have recommended. He has not charged them the fees also, and today they are doing job as trainers and earning a decent living at Nitro.
So I mean, this is all about our community. We come together, we help each other, and we make this grow. We
Right.
hardly have any.
Yeah.
I mean, I have just known that there are only 0.02% of people doing exercise. अभी तो पूरा
Right.
इतना बड़ा population आना बाकी है.
Right.
What is your target audience, Prabodh?
See, I don't have a set target audience. Fitness is like a religion. It's for whoever wants to adopt it and wants to, who respects fitness. Like it's not gender based or age based or anything. So there is nothing like a target audience as such. I created fitness for all.
Right.
So for any age group, any gender, for any segment of the people from any class or financial background, for all them. Like we have 3 models of Nitro: Redefining, Wellness and Fitness Hub, and Bespoke. So the Bespoke is the higher category one, whereas the Redefining one is the lower end one. So the thing is, like, I think so anybody and everybody can afford it.
So tell me, one last question for you is, Nitro is all about very jazzy colors, vibrant,
Yeah. But
which
that's
is so
how-
away from rest of the gym.
Yeah.
What is it all about?
See, the thing
to
is,
do with Prabodh?
a gym is a place of energy.
Right.
Right. It's a place that when you come from your workplace or your home or from anywhere, it needs to be different, and it should be, invoking energy in you,
Right.
and not like a banquet hall.
Right.
Or like a, so we don't want to follow something which is conventional, but something which is unconventional.
Right.
Something which is more live, more energy. So what is the thing that I believe is to give, serious fitness in a fun atmosphere.
Right.
Serious fitness in fun atmosphere. So this is what I want to deliver to people.
That sums it all. Serious fitness in a casual or a fun atmosphere.
Fun atmosphere.
That's exactly how you feel when you come to Nitro. And this is the prime reason why we have such people who are my friends, whom I genuinely know are so passionate about what they do. And that's why Prabodh today was our superstar of the month. And please do come over to Nitro, come and meet all the staff. I think they're one of the fittest guys I've seen around, and you're branching out all over India.
Yes,
so I
we
wish
are.
you all the best and wish
Thank you very much.
a lot of success and many more gyms to come.
Thank you.
Prabodh,
Thank you
so
very
for
much,
this,
Tushar.
and really appreciate.
Really appreciate.
Please
Thank
do
you.
watch 99 Workouts. This episode is very special because such people are very rare who give and dedicate their service, their passion for the future of other people whom are like-minded. So thank you, and our next guest is going to be equally special. So keep watching 99 Workouts.